past, which Ms. Renuka Chaudhary has done in the past, they all move away. And I mean, we've asked this from Murli Manohar Joshi, Sushma Swaraj, so many other people, so many politicians, you and I have done that. And they just move away and say no comments. Nobody has ever forced a reporter to delete. Padmaja, I want to bring one incident. You know, many years ago, there was an attempt on Rajiv Gandhi's life. And he was Prime Minister then. He was in Sri Lanka. There was an attempt on his life. Our cameraman shot that and got into the aircraft. And the Prime Minister's office said there was no attempt on his life. So our cameraman said, yes, there was. We have footage. And he said, no, it wasn't. You are lying. To which Mr. Rajiv Gandhi called the cameraman and said, show me the visuals. He saw the visuals and he said, we cannot deny this. And the Prime Minister's office said, let's take the tape away. Mr. Rajiv Gandhi said, no, you cannot take the tape away. No, you cannot deny that there was an attempt on my life. And we went ahead with the footage. Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, as Prime Minister, did not try to take away or delete the footage. What right does Mr. Vadra have to do that?
Well, let Tehseen Poonawala, a very vocal supporter and defender of Robert Vadra, answer that. What gives him the right, if he's a private citizen, what gives him the right to have his bodyguards detain a camera person and force him to take off his footage? Tehseen?
Okay, so thank you so much for giving me the opportunity. I request all the panelists, give me 1 minute to speak without interrupting. The fact of the matter is, and Smita ji will agree with me, and I say this with absolute responsibility, not a microsecond of footage was deleted. Sanjay, please hear this out because this is important for us to break this myth. Not a single minute, not a microseconds of footage was deleted. So the fact that is being propagated, footage was deleted is untrue. Smita ji will bear testimony to this.
No,
point number 2, it wasn't deleted. It was not deleted. Nothing was deleted. I am telling this as a fact out here. Check with Smita ji if it was deleted or no. Then I'll come back to my next point.
Absolutely. Let's check it right now. Smita, was the footage deleted or not?
Yes, it was deleted. There were a few clips on in the camera, and when the reporter came, can I complete?
Absolutely. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, so when the reporter was speaking to the security guard, the security person was then speaking to us, and he said, "Aap footage dikha dijiye." Meanwhile, the other security guards were telling the cameraman, "Delete kijiye, delete kijiye." So the cameraman, what he did was he pressed the delete button and he deleted one clip, which was of the coverage of the treadmill that Mr. Vadra was answering in the first question. Now the security guard saw the delete button being pressed, and now whether they released the cameraman because of what we spoke to the security guard saying you have no right, or whether they saw the delete button, we don't know why, but they let the cameraman and the reporter go. But
yeah,
yes,
so
one second. No, this is 1 second. That's precisely my point I'm trying to make. Now let me make my point. What Smita ji said, the thing is Robert or the security. Please, Smita ji, may I make my point? The fact is, neither did Robert nor did his security delete. This was a conversation between two individuals, two private individuals. Somebody said, I don't like a footage, please delete it or no. No footage was deleted by any of those people.
So you're saying they didn't press the button?
Nobody's deleted anything. Hold on, let me finish. Let me make my point. Can I please make my point?
You are giving wrong information on a national channel. Your allegation has been debuted by the journalist from the ANI. Why are you giving wrong information?
Can I please make my point?
Don't make wrong facts.
Can I please make my point?
He made an attempt. It has been clarified by the correspondent. Don't mislead the nation. And I say you are equally guilty. You are equally guilty as Mr. Robert Vadra is. You are trying to give wrong facts which have been just now clarified by the colleague.
Can I please speak?
Why are you misleading the nation?
He's not letting me speak.
And all your Congress leaders, all Congress people have made up their mind to tell lies on the TV channels.
Office, which said it was a private function, the media wasn't supposed to be there.
Padma, can I please make my point?
Now you're saying that no footage was deleted.
No footage
has been proven as false.
No, that's not.
Why these half-truths?
1 second.
You gave wrong facts.
The fact of the matter is, Padmaja, and I'm repeating again.
Are you speaking?
Smita ji, we had this conversation, we've been having this conversation, you and I.
Okay.
And you know and I know no footage was deleted. Now you can come here and say that footage was deleted.
So are you saying that ANI is
One second.
I am helpless on that. However, if you feel, Smita ji, some footage is deleted, you have the right to certain legal recourse. Let us prove that. I don't think you and I both know no
Yeah,
footage is
so
deleted. Let's go to the next point. Next point is I need just 30
Are you the one who
seconds.
has seen my camera? Are you the one who has spoken to my
So
camera?
it is your word versus nobody's word, and therefore your word will prevail. That's exactly what I'm coming to the ethics of journalism. Now
So then
coming to the
ask
points
Mr.
you were
Vadra
raising.
if
Now
you- are you speaking on
coming
behalf of
exactly.
Mr.
It is one
Vadra?
word versus one second.
you're
One
talking
second.
about ethics of
One second.
journalism,
I am
for
Padmaja.
heaven's
Give me
sake.
30 seconds.
Saying
Padmaja.
I'm nuts, you're an
Padmaja.
idiot.
Padmaja.
Since when is that ethical?
Padmaja. 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
You are trying
Mr.
to
Jain,
defend an action which is
Can I have 30
indefensible.
seconds? I won't be heard.
Where is the question
Fact-
of giving ethics
one
to the
second.
journalist?
One
Give
second.
these ethics to Mr. Vadra.
1 second.
Who misbehaved, who attacked, who deleted.
Look, either I speak or
Why
he
are you
speaks.
trying to mislead? Why are you trying to give
No,
a...
please let me make my vote.
That's a relevant question. It's very convenient for
Correct,
you.
so I'll answer it if I'm allowed to
Ethics of
answer.
the media. Is it ethical
The
to
action
behave
of
the way
Mr.
that
Robert
Mr.
Vadra
No,
Vadra
one
did,
second.
to use the
Defensible.
language that he did?
Both
How
of
can
you are trying
anyone
to
call
justify
a media
that.
person
Padmaja.
doing
Can't
his
be
job
justified.
an idiot? Is that ethical?
Padmaja.
Somebody is calling
Padmaja,
idiot.
I want to make a point
You
once
all
But
again.
have
but
right
for
to
Sanjay, just
question.
1 second.
If somebody
I would like
calls
to
a
be.
journalist idiot,
Look, if you're going to have a shouting match, and I'm not allowed to make my point, there's no point of having me
All
here.
right, fine. So Tessin
There's
says
no
he has a
point of having me. I'm allowed to make my point. I have 2 points to make.
Yes, go ahead.
I have
So-
2 points to make.
Okay, go ahead.
We started this debate where I came in saying very categorically no footage was deleted by Mr. Vadra or his security. We are all in agreement of that.
No,
Now the
we're not.
Padmaja, 1 minute.
You're the only one who's saying that.
Padmaja,
No one
just
is in
1
agreement
minute.
with
I
you.
mean,
No agreement. Where is the question of agreement?
1 second.
Don't give wrong facts.
I would again. Hold on. I want to make my point uninterrupted. I'm not interrupting anyone. I am saying nothing was deleted by these XYZ people. That point, Smita is agreeing. She's saying her reporter deleted. Now it is her word versus nobody's word. Now we come to the larger question. Was this a private function? Yes. Maybe the media was invited, maybe not. Smita may have an invitation, may not have an invitation. I'm
She
not
has an
aware.
invitation.
Let me finish.
She has an
I'll
invitation.
take 30 seconds. Let me make my
Yeah.
point. The reporter goes up, says he wants to talk about fitness. When you are interviewing anybody, especially a private citizen, you tell
No,
what you
no,
want
he
to
did not
interview.
say that.
Do not change.
This is
now,
bizarre. He
now,
did not say
Smita,
that.
1 second. Smita, 30 seconds more, and I will give it. I will give it to
Why
you.
are you coming to his defense?
If you
No,
are
you are a
interviewing,
private citizen.
This is
please
absolutely.
please make
you
me
were
make
not,
my point. I am
There is
requesting you,
a- when
Smita ji.
we
Let me
talk
make
of
my
the
point.
wrong food,
Counter
that
me
is
after I make my
agreement.
point.
Very good.
No, Mr. Jain, please keep quiet. I understand empty vessels make the most noise. Please keep quiet. The fact of the matter is, you go to a private
No,
citizen.
you are making certain things.
Come on.
Which are
I want to make my point.
What are you
Listen,
talking
I want to make my.
about?
I want to make my point.
I think
Now-
you have made. You've been given.
No, I have not
sufficient
been
amount
given
of time
because I'm
to make your
interrupted by
point.
Mr. Jain.
Smita wants to respond.
No,
now. Yes,
one second.
Smita, go
Just
ahead.
one last
this
point.
is enough, really. I mean, yeah.
No, you can be given any time. Make something which is sensible.
Yes, Smita Prakash,
Make
respond to
one
what
which
he
is
said.
sensible.
You decide.
Yeah. Padmaja, can I just come in? This is absolutely crazy to say that it was a private event and certain questions only are allowed to be
No,
asked.
I never
this
said
is
that.
Not how it
I
functions.
never said that,
We
Smita ji.
had an invitation.
No, I never said that. I said your reporter
You, Mr.
went and
Shah
said
just
he's
came and
talking
said
about
that only
fitness.
questions on fitness.
Huh? So then if
No,
you say one
I'm
thing,
sorry,
you do another
there was
thing,
no rules
then
laid
the
down that you
ethics
can
will be
ask
asked.
certain questions.
1 second. You go and say, I want to talk about
can I
XYZ
just
subject.
repeat, Padmaja?
No, Smita ji, 1 second. You say, I want to talk about ABC subject. You then jump to another subject which is
Poonawala, may I
unrelated.
ask you
Point
one
number
question?
1. Point number 2, my question which
No,
Sanjay was asking
nobody
you is
said-
this.
nobody
is
said-
this. Again, it is your word
Absolutely
versus
not.
nobody's
Nobody.
word.
No.
Second thing,
Can I
Smita ji,
just
second
complete-
thing.
you are
Last
just
point.
hijacking the debate.
Smita
This
ji,
is
no, I'm
crazy.
not. Last point. Just 1 point and I'm going to keep quiet. When you interview anybody, people in public office, which Mr. Vadra is not, for example, the Prime Minister, you have a set pattern. Why don't you ask the Prime Minister why he does not talk about snooping? He does not answer Arnab on snooping.
No.
You all don't ask those questions.
Sorry,
you all
we
let
have no
public
set-
authorities
we have no
run
set
away,
pattern.
but you all harass private citizens who have a right to
Tessin,
privacy.
I'm the
That
journalist,
is
you
where
are not.
ethics come in. That's all.
Okay, so Mr. Vadra has a right to privacy, but
There
the
is no
journalist does
set-
not have the right
there
to
is no
answer,
set-
ask him any questions. So rights are very
Padmaja, I want to make
conveniently
a point
interpreted,
if
are
you
they?
can.
Yeah,
allow me, please.
yeah.
Padmaja, I want to make one point to you.
No, wait.
No,
Sanjay
one
sir, I
minute,
think
one
Tessin
minute.
has taken up a
Pattern
lot
that
of
you're
time,
talking
made
about.
a lot
Padmaja,
of
I want to
charges.
make
Smita
one
wants
point
to
on your
respond.
channel.
Fair that she does. Smita,
I want
it's
to
your
make
turn.
one point on your channel. Where was Smita Prakash and yourself and many
No,
other
no,
channels
hang
when
on.
one of your senior most editors, one of the most respectable journalists, who by the way happened to be the boss of Arnab some years ago, when Rajdeep Sardesai gets attacked by the
Yes.
frantic
Sanjay
supporters
sir, you can
of
make
1
it
minute
about
of
plenty
Mr.
of other
Modi in
issues
New
and
York,
try and browbeat
have you
you let Sanjay make his points? Why are you not letting Sanjay make his points?
You cannot
Have you
keep going
questioned
on to
Mr.
other
Modi?
issues and try and
What
browbeat
happens
us
to
into
media
silence.
maintaining
We're
such
talking
a
about a
dubious
specific issue
silence?
here. You made
Why does
charges
the
against
media
ANI,
maintain
Smita
such a
Prakash.
dubious
You need to
silence on
respond
one of
now.
your
Smita
own
Prakash.
colleagues?
Why are you not confining to that?
Why are you not
If you
talking
call
about that?
somebody idiot,
I mean, that
are you
is a
defending
serious
that
issue.
idiot?
And
You
Mr.
call a
Jain,
journalist idiot,
you have
are you
reduced the
defending it?
media today
Please,
to a
today's
joke
debate is
who
about
have to
Robert
take
Vadra,
selfies with
not
the
about
Prime
anything
Minister.
happening
I want to
That
ask
is
you
the
the
sad
question.
tragedy
Do you
of the
think
Modi
now the
government.
entire attempt
You are
is
making
to
the media
talk
take selfies
as
with the
little
Prime
as
Minister.
possible
You
have
about
made it
what happened
compliant, you have made
yesterday
it
and what this
pliable.
conversation
It's a
is
shame.
about.
What is your
You have an
agenda?
emergency in India today.
The media as
Don't
much as
give
possible
defense to
into
Mr.
silence.
Vadra,
Smita.
whose action has been
Mr.
condemned by
Satyapal Jain,
everybody.
please let Smita
The
Prakash
whole
speak.
world.
Smita.
Don't try to divert the attention. Yes.
I have no idea how they're talking about emergency in India. Was this state
Oh, really?
state-imposed restrictions put on us? No.
Smita, you represent a responsible agency. Speak the
again,
truth.
I can't understand.
Speak
why,
the truth. Go on social media. The media
Why- I
is
can't
becoming a
follow
joke
those who
today.
impose
Mr. Vadra
The
acting on
media is
behalf of
becoming
the
a
state.
joke
Can I
today.
just
The
complete-
fourth estate is supposed to be a pillar of democracy. The media is becoming a joke. And you are
Mr. Chai,
making a mockery
you
of it
might
by
think
making
it's
it into a
It's definitely
paparazzi
not a joke.
and
And I'm
justifying
sorry, I
it
take
today.
offense to that. Mr.
You are
Chai, it is
justifying it
not
today
a
is a
joke.
shame.
We're still going to ask you the questions despite you doing what you have done yesterday. Smita Prakash, you wanted to complete your point.
Yeah, what I was trying to say was that if Mr. Vadra is a private citizen, I can't for the life of me understand why the Congress is getting frothing in the mouth right now trying to defend what happened. One point.
Because
Two,
we get
second point
calls.
is that if Mr.
We get
Vadra
hundreds
did not
of
want to
calls
speak,
from the
he-
media.
No, can I just
And
complete for heaven's
No,
sake?
listen to me.
Can I just
And
complete?
Arnab
Oh my
Goswami
God.
comes on a channel
Oh, how
and says
generous.
Congress is not
For the
appearing in the
past-
discussion. That's why we come here. We don't like to be accused of shying or running away from a debate. We don't like that. There is an attempt by large sections of Indian
Can I
media to come and say that the Congress tries to
That is
avoid
what
an
you are
issue.
doing today.
We will take the bull by
That
the
is
horns.
what
We will
you are
address
doing
it.
today.
And you better face the questions
No, of
as
course
well.
you don't shy away
That
from a
media
debate,
can
but you
also
just
be asked
outshout
questions.
anyone
Please
else who
remember
has
that,
a contrarian
Smita Prakash.
point of view. Anyone who has a relevant point of view, you just
But why aren't you
outshout
letting
them.
Sanjay make his points?
That's what Tehseen and you have
No,
been
why
doing
aren't you
for the
letting
last
Sanjay
5
make his
minutes,
points?
Smita.
Let Sanjay make his points.
The
He's got
media
relevant
can
points.